Little Rock homeowners often contend with a variety of noise sources, from bustling streets and neighborhood activity to natural environmental sounds. Excessive noise can disrupt daily life, reduce home comfort, and even impact health. Installing modern, noise-reducing windows is an effective solution that creates a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy roadway or in a quieter area with occasional disturbances, here's how noise-reducing windows can transform your Little Rock home. How noise-reducing windows work. Modern noise-reducing windows are designed with advanced features that block or absorb sound waves, creating a more peaceful interior. Key features that reduce noise. Multi-pane glass, double or triple glazing creates layers that dampen sound waves as they pass through the window. Insulating gas. Argon or krypton gas between panes improves sound insulation while enhancing energy efficiency. Laminated glass. Two layers of glass bonded with a sound-dampening interlayer effectively block external noise. Weatherproof seals. High-quality seals and gaskets prevent noise from seeping through gaps. These features work together to create a barrier that significantly reduces the level of noise entering your home. Improved comfort and peace. The primary benefit of noise-reducing windows is the improved comfort they bring to your living space. A quieter home allows you to relax, focus, and enjoy your time without constant interruptions from outside noise. Comfort benefits. Reduced stress. Lower noise levels create a calming environment, reducing stress and promoting mental well-being. Better sleep. A quieter home improves sleep quality, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Enhanced productivity. If you work or study from home, reduced noise distractions make it easier to concentrate and stay productive. For Little Rock homeowners, these benefits contribute to a higher quality of life and a more enjoyable living space. Increased privacy. Noise-reducing windows not only keep external sounds out but also help maintain privacy by limiting the sounds that can escape your home. Privacy advantages. Keep conversations and activities inside your home private. Reduce the transmission of indoor sounds, such as music or television, to the outside. Create a sense of security, knowing your home is both quieter and more private. This dual functionality is especially valuable for homes in densely populated neighborhoods or near busy areas. Perfect for Little Rock's diverse settings. Noise-reducing windows are a versatile solution for homes in a variety of settings across Little Rock, from suburban neighborhoods to urban areas. Ideal for busy streets. Homes near major roads benefit from reduced traffic noise. Active neighborhoods. Minimize sounds from neighbors, children playing, or community events. Natural surroundings. Dampen sounds from wildlife or weather, such as heavy rain or strong winds. No matter where your home is located, noise-reducing windows provide a tailored solution for creating a quieter environment. Boosted home value. Installing noise-reducing windows is an investment that adds tangible value to your property. Today's buyers often prioritize features that enhance comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency, making these windows a desirable upgrade. Value-boosting benefits. Enhanced curb appeal with sleek, modern designs. Increased buyer interest, particularly for homes in noisier locations. Energy-efficient features that further appeal to eco-conscious buyers. For Little Rock homeowners planning to sell, noise-reducing windows make your home more attractive and marketable. Improved energy efficiency. Many noise-reducing windows are also energy efficient, providing additional benefits for your home. Energy-saving features. Multi-pane glass and insulating gas improve thermal performance. Tight seals prevent drafts, reducing heating and cooling costs. Low E coatings reflect heat, keeping your home comfortable year-round. These features make noise-reducing windows a smart choice for both comfort and sustainability. Low maintenance durability. Noise-reducing windows are built with high-quality materials designed to last, ensuring long-term performance and minimal upkeep. Durability. Features. Frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist wear and tear. Laminated glass is highly durable and resistant to cracking or shattering. Weatherproof seals maintain effectiveness over time, even in Little Rock's variable climate. With proper care, these windows continue to deliver noise reduction and energy efficiency for years to come. Partnering with a professional for installation. To fully enjoy the noise reduction benefits of modern windows, professional installation is key. Proper installation ensures a tight seal and optimal performance. Why choose a professional? Expert advice on selecting the best noise-reducing windows for your home. Precise installation to eliminate gaps and ensure long-term effectiveness. Knowledge of local building codes and regulations in Little Rock. Working with a trusted window professional guarantees a smooth installation process and maximizes the benefits of your investment. Final thoughts. Noise-reducing windows are a game-changer for Little Rock homeowners looking to create a more comfortable, private, and peaceful home environment. By blocking unwanted noise, enhancing energy efficiency, and boosting property value, these windows offer a range of benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. Whether you're upgrading to improve your current home or preparing to sell, noise-reducing windows deliver immediate and long-lasting value. Partner with a local window expert to explore options and ensure a professional installation. With noise-reducing windows, you'll enjoy a quieter, more serene Little Rock home for years to come.